Hey everybody, it's Tosca from Dream Tech and also from the Tech Mastery for Entrepreneurs community. And it's 2 App Tuesday yet again, and I am here to show you 2 apps. So let's get started. These are AI apps that we built for people who wanted to try out AI apps for the first time, and these are prototypes that we're super excited to share. This one I'm having a lot of fun with today because it's about style and fashion. So I'm going to walk you through this Miximalist map. So I just put my name in here and it's asking me my style goals. So let's say we can pick maybe define my personal style, or we could do a capsule wardrobe, but let's do define my personal style. Okay, so how would I describe my body? Well, gosh, okay, let's go with pair. Now you know more about me. Okay, what's your day-to-day like? Let's say creative freelance because, running this business here from the Airbnb. Colors that make me feel alive. Well, here we go. I'm actually wearing one of my favorite shirts. I would call this a bold bright. And let's go through to, am I edgy and bold or am I classic and timeless? I'm probably not really a bohemian. Let's go with edgy and bold. Okay. And wow. Okay. Well, let's see what it can do for this range right here for a clothing budget. All right. Biggest styling challenge. I'm in a life transition and need a new look. All right. Let's go with that. Start the style journey. Here we go. It's setting up my map. All right. So it gave me some sample items here. And what I wanted to show you was, yes, it's true that there is no image here, but check this out. So I can actually go and change this one here. So adding to my wardrobe, you can upload a photo. You can change what it's called. You can change the category. You can change the occasion, etc. So everything here is editable. Gives you a starting place. It's super fun. I've only got one top. I guess I've just got this cream silk blouse. But as you can see, I can add a piece right here. Okay, and so over time, it's going to give me a wear log of what I've worn. Show me how confident I felt, how comfortable I felt, etc. It's pretty fun. And then you can look at insights. This is obviously just, dummy data. It's fake data. But if I were using this and had how many wardrobe pieces I had, how many outfits I logged, whether I loved it or not, this is super fun. Like I could see this really helping me know what I should buy and how I've been feeling, what I'm not wearing. Like that's pretty cool. And then also you can chat with your guide. So think about this. If you are running a styling business, you're the guide. This is your app. And that's super cool. And so instead of just, some downloadable PDF or using somebody else's app, you've got your own. Okay, so that's Miximalist Map. Map number one. All right, let's go to the second one. So this one is called A Year to Live Well. And it's talking about life transitions or facing mortality or caring for somebody. So pretty different feeling from the last one, but we all have this as well. So let's say going through a major life transition. Let's pick that one. And what feels most challenging about facing mortality? Wow. Okay, I don't like to think about this. What brings the most meaning to my life? Let's say I love meeting new people. Okay, you can say whatever you want, obviously. What do I hope to achieve or experience this year? Well, this year we moved to Italy, and that is quite a transition. Let's say I would like to have a happy transition to living overseas. All right, and do I want it to be gentle and nurturing guidance, encouraging and uplifting, philosophical and reflective? I can tell you right now, I don't want that. No. Practical and grounded, maybe. But let's go with encouraging and uplifting. We can all use a little bit of extra support. Okay. And what am I getting here? Okay, so it's telling me what day this is of the year. It's giving me a reflection. So it's kind of like a journaling app with a lot of prompts, which is great because every year I think, I should do a journal this year. And I start one and I'm not really great at journaling. My hand hurts. I have some hand injuries. And I like doing stuff online. So if you're one of those kinds of people, this might be the kind of app that you would enjoy. Or if you are a coach, again, this is the kind of thing you can provide to somebody instead of saying, download this PDF and print it out and write on it. Because I've had coaches say to me, you just have to get better at journaling. And I just really don't like hand journaling. So this would be great for any client that you have if you are this kind of a coach. So you can write in your journal right here, and it gives you prompts and also categories. So is it a reflective thing you want to write about? Do you want to write about living fully? Do you want to write about gratitude? Do you want to write just kind of a free write? But it's giving you prompts with each one of these, which I just love, right? So you can just and then you save your entry, and you've got your online journal. This, as it says here, a sacred space for reflection. And maybe you came up with some sort of real revelation you want to share with your coach. Boom, right here. So these are 2 apps. We're going to do it again. Hope you like this one. We are building apps like this in our community, Tech Mastery for Entrepreneurs. We hope to see you there if this looks exciting to you. Oh, and we also are offering templates for apps like these, so you do not have to start from scratch. In our AI Apps Academy, there are basic templates that we are making available for our participants, and we're also going to add premium templates for anyone to purchase. So hopefully that excites you, and we'll see you there.